Hello there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reverse TV. However, today I'll be talking about something that pertains to conventional loans. I do all types of financing. Specifically today I'll be talking about the new Colorado 2022 conventional loan limits. So with that said, let's dive in. So for 2022 FHFA, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, they've already announced that the new loan limits will be $625,000 for conventional Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae backed loans. And then of course, the way it works with those type of loans, there's a few counties in Colorado that have higher loan limits. And the max it can be is 1.5 times 625,000, which in simple math is 937,500. There's probably only one or two counties in Colorado that are slated to have that full amount, and then another handful, maybe 12 or 13, 15, 16 counties that will have maximum loan amounts on the conventional side somewhere between 625,000 and 937,500. Now, with that said, what are some of the benefits of being able to do a conventional loan with the higher loan amounts compared to a jumbo loan? Well, first, with a conventional loan, we run your loan through automated underwriting and we tell the system what we think your house is going to be worth. It looks at the address, all the numbers, and sometimes it will allow us to do the loan without getting an appraisal, which is amazing, and that doesn't happen on jumbo loans. Number two, conventional loans don't have such strict reserve requirements, meaning what's left in your bank after your down payment and anything for closing. It's pretty lax with the conventional loans compared to jumbo loans. Another one is rates are just a little bit lower, a little bit better with conventional loans versus jumbo loans. And then on top of that, jumbo loans have lower debt to income ratio requirements, and they usually cap out at about 42 to 43%. Whereas with conventional loans, you can go as high as 50%. So there's plenty of benefit in this huge change for 2022. Previously, the max loan amount was $548,250, and then in the high cost states it could be as much as $822,375. So this is a big jump. I'm really excited, you guys. With all that said, if you need to get any information, get qualified to purchase a home, if you want to look into a refinance scenario, just go ahead and check the description below, reach out to me, and we will connect as soon as we hear from you. With that said, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.